Hi everyone, my name is Heather Cross, and this is my foldable for Unit 2. I decided to do the states of matter because I really like how this looks, and I think students would really benefit from creating a foldable and using it throughout the year to remember the states of matter. So I'm not too sure what this foldable is called because the document didn't really give it a specific name, but I do know that it is a hamburger style foldable, and it's similar to the vocabulary foldable because obviously vocabulary foldable would be all the way, and then you just have multiple strips. But for this specific foldable, we have like this little area to write down a topic and then have subsections for that topic. So in this case, we have the states of matter as the topic, and then subsections solid, liquid, and gas. And then on the front covers, I decided to add pictures of what the molecules look like. So for solid, of course, we have densely packed, and they just vibrate. They don't really move. And then we have liquid that's more space or area to move around in, and it's more free flowing. And then for gas, of course, they bounce around and they just keep moving. So for solid, I wrote down have definite shape that is not easy to change. Particles are linked to one another by strong bonds in a firm structure, stays in a fixed position. And then I also wrote down the changes of state. So we have solid to liquid, which is melting, solid to gas, which is sublimation. And then for liquid, I wrote flows into a container and takes the shape of it. Molecules are closer together but are free to move, free flowing, and changes shape. Then we have liquid to gas, which is evaporation, and then liquid to solid, which is solidification. And lastly, we have gas. So fills the entire space of the container it's in. And the molecules are spread far apart and full of energy. They bounce around, spreading out to fill the volume and shape of the container. Then a gas to a liquid is called condensation, and then a gas to a solid is deposition. And then on the back, I didn't want to leave any space, so I decided to add a chart of all of the changes of states, and they have arrows, and we have clear arrows and clear labels for the different ones. Then we have pictures as well, and then clearly labeled solid, gas, and liquid. So yeah, that is my foldable for Unit 2. Thank you so much for listening.